guys! We are here at Buffalo, New York. So, nalabdiyan na gid naman ang nagkadoon na gid Mr. Niagara Falls. Nagpainga na gid mi sa amang destination. Right now, it's August 28, 2024. So, driving me right now, going to Niagara. Medyo doon na gid kisa nga tanan nagkadoon na gid mi sa amang alatuan. We have traveled around since 4:30 in the morning from Chicago, and then we hunong to different oasis, like, you know, every time na kaiyon mi, maggutom mi, mangita mi food that usually eat, you know. Pero may kuyog ng mga, let's say, Jeria people right now. Wow! Ano siya, nindot kaya lang Buffalo, New York. Medyo nindot siya, medyo daghan yung mga buildings. Church Street right now. Muna siya ang atong view sa pagkakaroon. And then, sa front side na po siya because nindot po yung mga view diyan sa front. So, bilang na ka minutes going to Niagara Falls? 8 miles lang, I think.
20
miles. Living on a prayer. Buffalo Soldier. Ano siya? Charla. Okay, tsada ang weather din dapita, unlike sa Ohio and Pennsylvania. That's kinda ulan in that area, you know? Nice po din dapita, guys. Medyo very nice view, the view. And then, ano siya ang mga lugar-lugar na atong makita sa pagkakaroon. Kung unsa ako makitaan, guys, makakita po na because that's my goal for my channel. I want you to see kung unsa nga akong mga nakita. Like now, kita taok nagpadagan o kusog, nagpabulot yun siya. Grabe, pasagtiin na lang na siya para sa siyang kinabuhi. Napasikat gito siya kay, you know, sports car, char lang. Nakita na ako ang mga Niagara nga mga boardings like Niagara Street, Niagara Falls, Canada. Because in front of the Niagara Falls is actually Canada already. So, once mo maadto mo sa Niagara Falls, mararapod na og nakahikap ka sa Canada nga slides. Buffalo na gina siya during the pita, guys. Kita gid kog murag Buffalo style. Buffalo Soldier. Medyo mabalhin mi gamay because yeah, we're going to Canada. Yeah, we can. So, naanagid Niagara Street, Niagara Falls. Oh my gosh. Oh, pa Canada ni during the pista. Dili mi man to Canada. Padulong mi Niagara Falls. Niagara gabi or ag masagabi basin maadto mi Canada. Ma'am, few minutes driving ragi kan sa kuan. Motabok ra og tulay Canada na. Oh, kato dito nga side Glen. Pakar ka na, Canada na dira.
Oh, Canada.
Oh, that's the Canada, guys. This is bridge. And the other bridge, ito, dito dito kikita. Canada na.
Mao na traffic kay.
Yes. People are going to Canada and kuan. Pero dili na mga bridge.
That side po is Canada.
That was Canada already. That side car, guys, is the Canada already. Kana siya. Canada na naging yung nakita after ng tabukan ng tubig, ng mga kuan, mga kahoy diya. Canada na siya, no? Pwede gid mo mulang may pa.
Ito Canada magunsang na nga.
Mulang may na po, balik diri. Mulang may daw si Papa kamato siya Canada na usak ka pwede gid.
Wala rin puliagon kayo.
Nice na kaayo, guys. Yan nagkadool lang gid kay tawaw kanindot ako ana nga kuan oy. Nga bridge. Dapat taas na diri or lapad nga dalan, no, because padung na pinig Canada.
Lahi man siya. Dito raman. Traffic dito kay
kaya agyanan niya. Kay mo may papabulag sa mga people. We are on New York State highway right now. Thruway di ang pangalan. Thruway. So managit na siya, no? Naanagit na sa Canada on the other side. And this one here is New York side. Mona, nanagit at bang nagit ni mo ang Canada. Yes, ma'am. By your eyes, good. Uy, mama, don't you know that we're going to Canada later? You, me, Papa, and Boyo. Either tonight or tomorrow night. Yep. Bossy. Si Auntie Jovili. Yep.
Layo gamay pa.
Layo-layo pa daw. Oh, yes, bam. Wow, naanay kita sa vulkan. Vulkan. Canada? Namin yun sila Amerikano ma or Canadian? Oh, that's nice. Kato dito guys, Canada na siya Canadian. And after ng tubig. Oh, that's good, mom. Cool. Nakita na gid nato guys, no? Ang Niagara Falls na gid, oh. Naging mga wordings, meaning nagkadool na kita sa Niagara Falls. People would always go into this one of the 7 wonders nature of the world because it's really amazing. With me, personal experience, I think this is going to be my 5th time already because I so love it. You know, it's like there is something nga murag mo touch sa akong heart, nga murag ko kaiyakon and murag jud na kog ma-feel nga murag oy blessed kay ka nga nakakita ka aning Niagara Falls. Murag nga na akong feeling. It's kinda OA, you know, pero that's how I feel, you know. Char lang. Unya, and besides, every time nga mo-add to me, daghan kig mga langgam nga white,
Laki sa bra,
or
ikaw
mga
na.
angels.
Super tita.
And then, every time nga mo-add to me, makakita gid me og rainbow from start to end gid sa rainbow, guys. And then you can touch it. Because nara sa imong kuan. Yes, tomorrow baba we'll touch the rainbow. And tonight we're gonna watch the fireworks because the water would change its color every time. Sometimes it's blue, sometimes it's purple, sometimes it's yellow, sometimes red, you know. That's how it is in here, you know. So amazing, Baba, right? Yes, that's how it is during nighttime. You can see the water changing color plus the fireworks. Hoy. Grabe po dyan ma-exage. Ay, naku. Doon na kita. And then, our Airbnb is super close to the Niagara Falls. Walking distance for guys. Mga, I think, 5 minutes to 10 minutes walk. And that's gonna be our Airbnb na. So, it's gonna be fun. Everybody's gonna be in here. My family. Everybody. Yeah. Alright, guys. Yes. Something minutes na kiyot, no? Mga pila na 1 mile away. And then, we should be there. To Nawanda na kiyot. Rochester. Gali
Ang
kay...
bridge.
Oh, this is the Rainbow Bridge?
Last na ng rainbow.
Wow!
Traffic na ganyan.
Traffic na ba? Oh my gosh! Gusto siya ni Ga?
Napuna.
Ha?
Napuna.
Mugali para di magsaba. I-her, oh.